Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the enchanting island of gods, Bali. Get ready to dive into a world where ancient traditions meet breathtaking natural beauty and vibrant modern life. This isn't just a destination, it's an experience waiting to unfold. In this ultimate guide, we're uncovering Bali's best kept secrets, must-see spots, and essential travel tips. From stunning beaches to sacred temples and thrilling adventures, we'll help you plan an unforgettable journey. Let's unlock the magic of Bali together. Your Balinese adventure begins at Ngurah Rai International Airport, also known as BTS, located in Denpasar. It's the main gateway to this incredible island, welcoming travelers from all corners of the globe. Make sure your passport is ready for stamping. Before you pack your bags, always double-check the latest visa requirements for your nationality. Regulations can change, so a quick online search will save you any surprises upon arrival. Being prepared means a smoother start to your trip. The absolute best time to visit Bali is during the dry season, which runs from April to October. You'll enjoy sunny days, lower humidity, and perfect conditions for exploring everything the island offers. Avoid the rainy season for optimal outdoor activities. When packing, think light and breathable clothing. Don't forget your swimwear, a wide-brimmed hat, and plenty of high SPF sunscreen to protect against the tropical sun. Insect repellent is also a must-have for evenings, especially if you plan to explore nature. Bali's climate is consistently hot and humid year-round, so be prepared to embrace the warmth. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, and take breaks in the shade when the sun is at its peak. Comfort is key in this tropical paradise. For getting around, scooter rental is popular and offers incredible freedom, but only if you're an experienced rider. Alternatively, ride-sharing apps like Grab and Gojek are widely available and very convenient for safe and affordable transportation. They are a lifesaver for navigating the island. The local currency is the Indonesian rupiah, or IDR. It's a good idea to carry some cash for smaller purchases, especially at local markets and warungs. ATMs are readily available in most tourist areas, but always be mindful of transaction fees. When shopping at markets, respectful bargaining is part of the experience. Start with a friendly smile and a reasonable counter offer, and you'll often find a good deal. Remember, it's all part of the cultural exchange and fun. Cultural respect is paramount in Bali, especially when visiting temples. Always dress modestly, covering your shoulders and knees, and often a sarong will be provided or required. This shows reverence for their sacred sites and traditions. While Bali is generally safe, it's always wise to be aware of your surroundings and protect your belongings. Keep valuables secure, and avoid walking alone in dimly lit areas at night. Common sense goes a long way in ensuring a worry-free trip. You absolutely must dive into the incredible local cuisine. Try nasi goreng, a flavorful fried rice dish, and gado-gado, a delicious vegetable salad with peanut sauce. These iconic dishes are a true taste of Bali and can be found everywhere. Finally, accommodation. Booking in advance is highly recommended, especially if you're traveling during peak season or to popular areas. From luxury resorts to charming guest houses, Bali offers options for every budget and style. Secure your perfect stay early. Let's talk beaches. Kuta Beach is legendary, famous for its fantastic surf breaks, perfect for beginners, and its vibrant nightlife scene. It's a lively spot where you can catch waves by day and enjoy the buzzing atmosphere after sunset. Kuta is where the action is. Just north of Kulata, you'll find Seminyak, offering a more upscale and sophisticated beach experience. Think stylish beach clubs, trendy restaurants, and boutique shopping. It's the perfect place to relax in luxury and enjoy stunning ocean views. For ultimate relaxation and pristine shores, Nusa Dua is your go-to. This area is home to luxurious resorts, manicured gardens, and calm clear waters ideal for swimming and family fun. It's a tranquil escape from the bustling crowds. Beyond the main island, the Nusa Islands are an absolute must for island hopping. These three gems, Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Senningan and Nusa Penida, offer a different kind of Balinese charm. Each island boasts its own unique allure and adventures. Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Senningan are connected by a picturesque yellow bridge, making them easy to explore together. Discover stunning beaches, dramatic cliffside views, and a plethora of water activities like snorkeling and diving. The vibrant marine life is incredible. Bali is truly the island of gods, and its temples are magnificent testaments to its spiritual heart. Perched dramatically on a cliff, Uluwatu Temple offers breathtaking sunset views over the Indian Ocean. Don't miss the traditional Kechak fire dance performed here as the sun dips below the horizon. Another iconic sea temple is Tanah Lot, a truly mesmerizing sight, especially at high tide when it appears to float on the water. This ancient Hindu shrine is one of Bali's most revered landmarks and a photographer's dream. Its beauty is simply unparalleled. For a profound spiritual experience, visit Besakih Temple, known as the Mother Temple of Bali. This sprawling complex of over 80 temples is nestled on the slopes of Mount Agung, offering stunning architecture and a deep sense of history. It's a truly sacred place. Finally, Ulun Danu Beratan Temple is a stunning water temple located on the shores of Lake Pratan. Its serene setting, often shrouded in mist, creates a magical and ethereal atmosphere. This picturesque temple is a symbol of Balinese harmony and beauty. Beyond the temples, Bali's natural landscapes are equally captivating. The Tegalalang rice terraces near Ubud are an iconic sight, with their emerald green stepped fields cascading down hillsides. Take a leisurely stroll or embark on a more challenging hike through these stunning agricultural wonders. For an unforgettable experience, embark on an early morning trek up Mount Batur to witness a truly memorable sunrise. The panoramic views from the summit, as the sky explodes with color, are absolutely breathtaking. It's an adventure that rewards you with unparalleled beauty. Bali is also home to incredible waterfalls, each with its own unique charm. Discover the powerful cascades of Sekumpul, the hidden gem of Tukat Chepang with its sun rays, and the majestic Gitgit waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls is a fantastic way to explore the island's lush interior. Escape the crowds and explore the charming village of Munduk in the northern highlands. This tranquil area is known for its coffee plantations, spice gardens, and cooler climate. It's a perfect spot for nature lovers seeking peace and stunning natural scenery. Ubud is widely considered the cultural heart of Bali, a vibrant hub known for its thriving art scene, world-class yoga retreats, and profound spiritual atmosphere. Immerse yourself in traditional dance, explore art galleries, and find your inner peace amidst lush rice paddies. It's a place for rejuvenation. For trendy vibes and a bustling city experience, look no further than Canggu and Denpasar. Canggu offers a laid-back surf culture, cool cafes, and vibrant nightlife, attracting digital nomads and surfers alike. Denpasar, the capital, provides a glimpse into authentic Balinese city life and local markets. And finally, Nusa Penida. This island is an absolute must-see, boasting some of Bali's most stunning natural wonders. Prepare to be amazed by dramatic cliffs, pristine white sand beaches, and incredible snorkeling and diving spots. Killing Beach and Angel's Billabong are truly iconic. From its spiritual temples to its thrilling adventures and serene beaches, Bali truly offers something magical for everyone. Whether you're seeking relaxation, cultural immersion, or adrenaline-pumping activities, this island delivers an unforgettable experience. Enjoy every moment of its unique charm. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream trip to Bali today. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe for more incredible travel tips and destination guides. Your next adventure awaits.